Hey guys, in this video, I'm sharing my mini haul. I'm unboxing my mini dollar store finds, and I'm creating a mini home for a couple of the dolls. Plus, I took some old toys out of storage for pictures with my mini dolls as well. Let's get started. I love these Cuckoo Harajuku dolls. They are so pretty. I only have two. I think there's 4 or 5 in the whole collection. I keep checking out Dollarama's toy aisle for more. Aren't they adorable? I also got some Princess Mini dolls from Disney's Little Kingdom line. They are so cute. I love these little dolls. I can't wait to create little rooms and houses for them. Which princess is your favorite? These dolls were from the Dollarama. I also went to the Dollar Tree. I keep seeing so many Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube, so I wanted to check it out. I had to drive a bit to get there because it's not that close to me. Would I do it again? No. The toy aisle was not great. There was just a very small section of toys. But I did find this dollhouse furniture. I thought it was kind of cute. I especially love the little chairs. The dolls are very poor quality. Not sure what I'll do with them. But I really like the furniture. So now I'm going to create a small little 2-room house for the Cuckoo Harajuku dolls. I hope I'm saying that right. I grabbed some foam board, shelf liner, and scrapbook paper for this little project. I applied it to the foam board. You can glue the foam board pieces together or do what I did. I just used some pins to hold it up. That way I can take it apart to store it away. use this furniture for another mini project, but I think I'm going to paint it up.
Our new home, G. Me too. I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
And now for the Disney pictures. I took the Disney Polly Pocket Castle out of storage, and I found this little carriage at a garage sale. Perfect for these pictures. Well, that's it for now. Please follow me on Instagram so you won't miss any of my new videos. And I'm posting a lot more there now, especially behind the scene photos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.